Hello, hi, namaskar, and you are welcome. In today's video, I am going to share with you some of my earlier experience. It's about how was my struggle, how did I get fluency in English, what kind of formula did I apply to get fluency in English. All those things in today's video I am going to share with you. Friends, right now you can see I am here in the cornfield. Cornfields are behind me. Just I am here for feeding to the goats. You people might have known that village people are far away back in comparison with the city people. That's not because they are weaker minded, that's because they don't get good quality of education and that kind of environment from where they can achieve whatever they want as well. If you observe a city student, you will see that after going to school for 6 months or 1 year, they will start speaking in English very fluently. But in village, after learning for more than 10 years in school English, they can't speak even a single sentence very fluently in English. That's not because they are weaker minded, that's because they don't get good quality of education and that kind of environment from where they can learn whatever they want. Anyway, I'm here exploring to the nature, enjoying to the nature, having earthy fragrance of a wet soil. Friends, today I'm going to share with you some of my own experience, my struggling journey, how was it started, and when I started it, and how long it took me to get fluency in English. All those things in today's video I'm going to share with you. Learning English by staying in village is quite hard, and I had no other option, so I decided to learn English by staying in village and using my cell phone. I started my English journey. It all was started 3 months back. I couldn't speak even a single sentence after learning for more than 10 years in my village school. Then I suddenly realized the importance of English. Then I decided to anyhow I need to learn English very fluently. I have to be fluent in English. So I started my English journey. It all started 3 months back, because you people might know that English is a global language. In order to work in a multinational company, in order to work in abroad, or in order to travel to the world, you need to speak English. You need to learn English because English is a global language. As I am a village boy, I live in village. It was very difficult for me to get fluency to learn English very fluently. After decided, I started sincerely learning English. I designed myself with English environment. I used to watch English movie, used to read English book, used to listen English speech. All I do was in English. All I was in English. So in this way I started my English journey. Within 3 months I started to speak in English very slowly. Then my slow improved slowly. Now you can observe me how fluently am I speaking. You can look at me right now. While I was staying in village, nobody talked to me in English, because in my village everyone speak our regional language. We have a particular regional language and people talk with each other mostly in our regional language. That's why I had no friends, I had no partners to talk with him, to have conversation with him in English. So I had to struggle a lot to get fluent in English. I used my phone to learn English. I use usually my phone by watching English movie, by watching English speech. With this way, I started learning English. At the beginning, everyone laughed at me, but slowly they stopped laughing at me and they started appreciating me. Now nobody is criticizing me. Everybody is trying to follow me. Every beginning is difficult. After beginning, then you will realize the blessing of your hard work. You will get result. then nobody will laugh at you. That's the same thing happening with me. It is said that success requires sacrifice. If you want to get succeed in life, then you have to sacrifice something for it. You have to step out from your comfort zone and have to struggle for your mission, for your voice. Then only you will get succeed one day in life. Just like me, I had to step out from my comfort zone. Now I'm struggling for my mission, for my goal, and learning it. And it's time to take a leave. We'll meet you on the next video. So let's take a leave, friends.